Hi guys, it's a Gashi.
Yo, mama.
It's XX Hunter Girl. It's XX Hunter Girl XX9000 with XX Hunter Boy 9000, my friend.
You said right there.
Stop, Angelo! That's annoying.
Are you in the server?
Almost.
Almost in your mom.
He's in Spanish mode. Just put him in the server. He's getting annoying.
He's in Espanol, Mexico. Mexico. That one?
Oh my god, guys.
English US. Not UK, you idiot. Why you said that? Because UK is British. Oppie's server. No, it's not Oppie's server. For goodness sake, you idiot. You know what? Put it. You do it, Oppie.
No.
Oh my god, a few minutes ago you actually wrote Jamba in the chat.
Can you make me fly now? I mean, can you?
Log in and let me give put the numbers.
You created. No.
You hit your tablet.
Log in.
Yo, Mama Joe.
Yo, Mama Joe. Oh, my mama is Joe, boy.
Put the numbers.
Can you make me creative now?
Put the numbers. I can see your screen right now. Can you control it? How about now? You put 2 bucks, you freaking...
I'm not gonna like do alpha hacker or anything like that.
Hey, what are you doing?
Stop controlling me, dude.
I'll stop controlling you. I said this is what I was gonna do before I put you in creative mode.
Stop. I just put myself.
You're making it worse.
I wanna put myself.
Put those numbers. Yo, fuck. Put the numbers.
What? I'm gonna put myself in creative if you're not.
Put the numbers. That's why you can't switch game modes inside of
Stop.
Put the numbers.
I don't know.
Put the numbers.
I like to see you switch your game. Oh my god, he's so annoying, guys.
Put the numbers.
I don't know the numbers, Lucio.
Put the numbers.
I don't know the numbers. Wait a second. Oh dang! Oh my god! Look at the map. I made it like really small.
Put the numbers.
Oars! Ow! Stop!
I stopped the controlling.
Should we go on the server and hack?
No.
Yeah.
How about you answer yo, mom? I swear. Why do you have the alpha hack?
I don't know.
Switch your game mode. I'd like to see you do that.
No, I don't know how to do that.
You
Level. Ooh, yeah.
Do you know what the alpha hack is called?
No.
Matt. Do you want creative mode? Let me touch the tablet. You need to let me open this thing. You need to let me open.
Wait, what's
my-
tree competitor?
You need to let me press this button.
Neat. Select.
What the? 2 box crap.
Let's just go in my world. Okay, guys.
How about the answer yo mama Joe?
So yeah, guys. Bye.